Introduction to operations with numbers and properties of operations. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is a mathematical operation? What are the 4 basic operations used in math? 2. What is addition? What are the properties of addition? 3. Why we sometimes split an addend in 2 parts. 4. How to add 2 numbers in a column and in a number line. 5. What is subtraction? What is or are the property, or properties of subtraction? 6. How is subtraction related to addition? 7. How to subtract 2 numbers in a column and in a number line. 8. What is multiplication? What does it have in common with addition? 9. What are the properties of multiplication? 10. How to do a multiplication in a column. 11. What is division? How is it related to multiplication? 12. What is or are the property, or properties of division? 13. How to make a division operation easier? 14. What is the remainder of a division? 15. What is power of numbers? How is it expressed in exercises? Introduction. Items we count by using numbers are changeable. Their number may increase when we buy extra items at the store, or decrease when we lose or remove some of them from a collection. On the other hand, from a single item we may obtain a number of identical items. We say the items multiply, such as the case of fruits when we plant a single fruit seed, or we may obtain a number of pieces when we cut an item into equal pieces like an apple into slices. All situations involve the 4 basic mathematical operations we use to calculate the new number of items after a process. All these operations and their corresponding properties are explained in this guide. Definition of basic mathematical operations. A mathematical operation is a process in which a number or quantity is changed in order to create another number or quantity. For example, if we want to increase the number of participants in an event, we use the addition operation, that is, we add the number of the new participants to that of the actual ones. On the other hand, if we want to remove some items from a set, we use the subtraction operation for this. Likewise, if we want to make a number of replies, copies of an item, we multiply them. Finally, if we want to divide an item into equal pieces, we use the division operation. Put simply, there are 4 basic mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this tutorial we will discover that this number can be further reduced to only 2 basic operations, addition and multiplication. That is all for Introduction to Operations with Numbers and Properties of Operations. To continue this topic, please watch the first lesson of this tutorial, 1.3.1, Addition. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.